Hey, in this video, I will show you how to retrieve WhatsApp messages on any iPhone and on any Android device in 2021. I've updated this video to work for this year, so if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, because each like gets me a few more views. It's really helpful. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13k subscribers, and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, and also comment which country are you watching this video from, because I'm really curious to know. So what you want to currently do is obviously go on WhatsApp and go on your settings, which is the bottom right corner. It says settings, it's right next to chats. From here, what you want to do is click the fifth button basically. The first is your name, start messages, WhatsApp, web and desktop accounts, and then you have chat. So when you click on chats, you have different options. First, you have chat wallpaper. We've covered that in another video. But the option that you want to click here is chat backup, which is basically the third button. Here it is. So you click on chat backup, and as you can see, I've backed up is the 24th of March. Today I've backed up like 2-3 weeks ago. So if you want to have to retrieve your messages, you just have to back up regularly. So I would suggest you have auto backup on daily, set on daily, but which means to and also you want to have some Wi-Fi connection, as you can see. To avoid excessive data changes, connect your phone to Wi-Fi or disable cellular data for iCloud. But as you can still see, I have the backup daily, but for some reason it still doesn't back up daily. So what you want to do is regularly, maybe every day, just click on backup now. It's only gonna take, as you can see, like 10 seconds or a little bit longer, and that should keep you safe and retrieve your WhatsApp messages. If this video helped you out, again, give me a like. It really helps out. Subscribe if you're new, because we are uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. And if you still have any questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section. I would love to help you out there. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.